If you want to use Google Assistant on your Chromebook, then this video is for you. Hey, in this video, I'll show you how you can enable Google Assistant and use it on your Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. For that, simply click on App Launcher icon and open Settings application. Now click on System Preference, scroll down and look for Search and Assistant section. Here select Google Assistant. By default, Google Assistant is turned off on your Chromebook. To enable it, simply click on this option and here simply turn on the toggle. This will enable Google Assistant on your Chromebook. Now if you want to activate voice command like Hey Google, OK Google to launch Google Assistant on your Chromebook, then from the drop-down menu, simply select On. Now if you want to train your Google Assistant to recognize your voice, then here you'll find the option. Simply click on it. Now here simply agree the Google Assistant term by clicking on I agree button. After that, train your voice. Now to launch Google Assistant on your Chromebook, simply press Search and A key to launch Google Assistant on your Chromebook. So that's it. This is how you can enable and use Google Assistant on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.